Pinus shoot TS shows, TS means transverse section. Pinus shoot transverse section shows spheroidal outline with ridges and furrows regions. The primary pinus shoot TS. Primary pinus shoot TS shows mainly three major portions. One is epidermis, second one is cortex, third one is stele. Epidermis is a outer layer. It made by rectangular parenchyma cells. It protected to inner parts and it gives a perfect shape to shoot. Beneath of these epidermis, cortex is present. The cortex mainly divided into two portions, two sub-portions. One is outer cortex called hypodermis. Second one is inner cortex called normal cortex. Hypodermis made by chlorenchyma tissue. Hypodermis made by chlorenchyma tissue. The chlorenchyma tissue participated in the photosynthesis at early age of pinus shoot. And below the hypodermis, parenchymatous cortex is present. The parenchymatous cortex contains resin canals. Resin canals are clearly visible in the cortical zone. These are filled with, resin canals are filled with resin. Resin canals is the normal character or general characters of pinus. And below these inner cortex, stele is present. That stele surrounded by starch sheath or endodermis, and below the endodermis pericycle is present. Below the pericycle, vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. Vascular bundles are arranged in a radial position. Each vascular bundle is conjoint, collateral, open, endark type. Conjoint means the vascular tissue, xylem and phloem, are fused, called conjoint. That fused xylem and phloem tissues are arranged in side-by-side arrangement called collateral. Open means between the fused collateral vascular bundle, cambium is present. If cambium is present, called open. And endark type of vascular bundles. Endark means protoxylem present towards inside. Protoxylem present towards inside, called endark protoxylem. That vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, open, endark type of vascular bundles. And at center region, parenchymatous pith or medulla is present. It is the primary shoot TS of pinus. And one more important point, between the two vascular bundles, medullary rays are present. Between the two vascular bundles, medullary rays are present. These are mainly helps in secondary growth of pinus. It is the primary shoot TS. Now, secondary growth of pinus shoot. See, at the second year of pinus age, between the two vascular bundles, medullary rays are produced cambium. Medullary rays are produced cambium. That cambium is called intervascular cambium. Intervascular cambium. It present between two vascular bundles. Intervascular cambium. It present between two vascular bundle. It developed by the medullary rays. The vascular bundles containing cambium called vascular cambium. Intervascular cambium connected with vascular cambium to form a ring-like structure in the steel. Ring-like structure in the steel called vascular cambium ring. The cambium ring, if once cambium ring is formed in the steel, it continuously produced secondary tissues. Continuously produced secondary tissues to outside and to inside. Outside of cambium, secondary phloem is developed. Outside of the cambium ring, secondary phloem is developed. Here it is secondary phloem. It is the cambium ring. If once cambium ring is formed in the stellar region, it produced secondary tissues to outside and to inside. Outside of the cambium ring, a less amount of secondary phloem is developed. Secondary phloem, why we called secondary phloem? Already phloem is present in the steel. That phloem is called primary phloem. Newly developed phloem from the cambium is called secondary phloem. Less amount of secondary phloem is developed at outside of the cambium ring. And to inside of the cambium ring, large amount of secondary xylem is developed. Large amount of secondary xylem is developed. The large amount of secondary xylem developed by the seasonally. Seasonally means during the spring season. During the spring season, spring wood, spring xylem is developed from the cambium ring. Here it is cambium is formed. That cambium to produce outside secondary phloem to inside secondary xylem. The secondary xylem is two types in a season, in a year. Large size of secondary xylem cells called spring xylem or spring wood. Small size of secondary xylem cells are called autumn wood or autumn xylem. Every year from the cambium ring, these two types of xylem, secondary xylem cells are developed. In spring season, spring wood is developed. In autumn season, means in winter season, autumn wood is developed. Every year, these two types of secondary xylem cells are developed from the cambium. These two types of secondary xylem cells are called annual ring. In every annual ring, secondary xylem cells are two types. One is autumn wood or autumn xylem, or spring wood or spring xylem. These are two developed from the cambium. These two xylems are developed in 1 year. Those two xylem cells are called annual rings. The two xylem cells are called annual rings. Every year developed one annual ring. First annual ring, second annual ring, third annual ring, fourth annual ring. Like these annual rings are developed in year wise. Every year one annual ring developed, that annual ring containing autumn wood and spring wood. We can easily estimate the plant age by the annual rings, called dendrochronology. See, here it is, 4 annual rings are here. So 4 annual rings means we can easily expect the plant age is 4 years. How to estimate these 4 years of plant? Based on the annual rings. Every year one annual ring is developed. That annual ring containing secondary xylem. The secondary xylem containing autumn wood and spring wood. Autumn xylem or spring xylem. See, continuously developed annual rings, more number of annual rings. That annual rings are more in number. Early developed annual rings are in dark color. Early developed annual rings are in dark color. The dark color annual rings are called heartwood. Dark color annual rings are called heartwood. Around these dark color annual rings, light color annual rings are present. The The light color annual rings are called sapwood. Light color annual rings are called sapwood. Heartwood is not comfortable for the translocation of water and minerals. Only sapwood is comfortable for the translocation and water and minerals. During these movement, the new tissues are developed in the plant anatomy. The new tissues are occupied the lower space, and by these new developed tissues, it pressure on the outer cortex. The outer cortex is pressure on the epidermis. Epidermis is broken, and the epidermis is broken. From the outer cortex, some cells are act as a epidermis. That epidermal tissues are called cork tissues or pellogen tissues. Cork tissues are pellogen tissues. These are the protective layer during the secondary growth of pinus shoot.